I do not know where we are.
Penguin. That's the place code.
Oh.
Penguin, penguin. And then we've got some massive.
I'm trying to break this rock. I want to see what's inside this rock. It also sharpens this rock, which is good. This will probably take a long time.
Okay.
Do it. Yeah, there's infinite water. I'm gonna wash my rock as well. Cool, strong quality.
See what I. And so many living.
You know there's a real crab here, right?
Where?
Hiding in that shell. I thought I saw something come out. Told you.
I can't move it.
I told you there has to be something in there.
Yeah. What about this one? Whoa. Whoa.
Crabs! I hate crabs! Ah! Ah! Go nuts. Hello guys, we're on top of the nut mountain?
The nut.
Oh, the nut? I don't know why it's called the nut. I have not been here before. Lol.
What's on your neck? What's around your neck?
Binoculars.
Ooh.
Bring binoculars.
prepared.
I bring my binoculars to Tasmania so I can, can see it. It's a great view. Okay, in 5 to 10 years time, if we do not get at least 1 million subscribers, I am gonna dip a bucket of ice water on my head with a bucket of hot water on my head.
So what day that will be? 10 years from now on?
10 to 5,
2035?
probably.
Okay.
Okay,
Boys and
so
girls, we are live from the nut. What are these holes, Mr. Y?
I don't know, rabbit holes. My mom says they're rabbit holes, but I don't really trust her. They're pretty big.
See the hoppers? Can't see?
What?
Grasshoppers. Mom and the baby.
No, they can't smell.
Sure.
All they have is eyes and a mouth. That's it. Body, eyes, mouth, that's it. And tail. So if you just completely stand still, right? They only notice vibrations, that's all. They notice vibrations from the ground. So if you just stand still like a stickman, they can't even, they're just gonna walk right past you. Hey guys, we just found a dock. Dock. Wait, what? There's people on it. Tourists. Keep a lookout for wallabies. They usually come around this area. But also keep an eye out for snakes. They're gonna kill you.